guys, it's cooking time. I mean, today I'm here with a sweet dessert recipe, Badusha. First, we'll start by making dough. In a bowl, add 40 grams of butter. Let the butter get smoothened. Then, add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Now, mix all the ingredients together only using your fingers so that we can feel the texture of breadcrumbs. Subsequently, add 2 tablespoons of curd. And then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and knead a tight dough. Rest it for at least 10 minutes. Next, for making the sugar syrup, add a cup of sugar and pour 1.5 cup of water. Meanwhile, add 2 crushed cardamoms and a clove. And wait until we get a string consistency like this. At last, add some lemon juice, and this makes the syrup not to get crystallized. Now, make small balls from the dough and put a finger impression in the middle. Fry the balls in hot oil. Continue flipping until it comes to this color. Now, add the fried balls into the sugar syrup and leave it for 7 to 8 minutes. You can decorate them with almonds or pistachios. Now let's taste. See how the layers are formed inside it. Okay guys, hope you would like this recipe. Do try this recipe and comment about your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video and stay home, stay safe.